Hello, my name is Veronica Ramsey, and I will be describing commonalities in the social oppression of homophobia, ableism, and Islamophobia. Before I begin, I would like to provide some definitions. Homophobia, the fear of gay, lesbian, bisexual, transgender, and queer people. Ableism, the systematic exclusion and discrimination against people with physical, intellectual, or developmental disabilities. Islamophobia, unproven fear and/or hostility toward Muslims. After watching the video and completing the readings, I found three commonalities between these oppressions. First, they are underrepresented in schools and the media. The United States is a diverse nation, and the LGBTQ community, students with disabilities, and people of the Islam religion are part of our nation. As such, they should be represented in our communities. For example, history textbooks often neglect to provide details regarding the LGBTQ community's fight for civil rights and the Islam religion's important historical contributions. Also, in the past, the media has provided little representation of the LGBTQ community, students with disabilities, and Muslims. When they were portrayed, they often depicted stereotypes. However, in current times, we have made some progress with shows such as Modern Family and Glee. The second commonality I found was that people who were homophobic, Islamophobic, or believed in ableism often embraced stereotypes. For example, the idea that all Muslims were terrorists, or Muslim women must be oppressed because of the veils that they wear. In the LGBTQ community, there are many stereotypes about expected behavior, maybe something what is quote unquote the norm. Another stereotype about people with disabilities is that if you work hard enough, you can eliminate a disability. Often, stereotypes can lead to bullying. The last commonality I found was to eliminate the oppression. People should not be confined to labels. By this I mean a person's gender identity, religion, disability is just one aspect of their overall identity.